we've just come back from holiday and our tomatoes have all gone a bit bonkers while we've been away. So it's quite important for the sake of the plant to make sure that the canes I've got are used properly and the tomatoes are being tied into the canes. So I'm just doing that with some soft string just to keep them supported. It's good for the plant that it's supported, it keeps growing vertically, and it's also good when the fruit starts to develop, that there's no danger of the fruit being too heavy to overweigh the tomato plant. So I'm going to do that with the tomatoes. You can see this one here is really gone very long and thin, and it just needs tying into this cane. You can also see in the tomato plants that the ones I grow end up with these little side shoots between the leaf and the main stem, and these particular varieties are not bush tomato varieties, so those little bits need to be nipped out. Obviously that will go on the compost heap now. In the meantime, to try to keep things going properly, so if you move the camera down, in the meantime, to try to keep things ripening quicker than they are doing, one of the things you have to do is to take some of the lower leaves off. Some of these lower leaves are going anyway, so it doesn't really cause any damage to the plant. They've got plenty of upper leaves, but taking off the lower leaves around the lower cut lower bits of fruit will mean that there's going to be a greater circulation of air around the fruit, and the warm air is what's going to ripen off the tomatoes, like this one is coming along now.